guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have another Vellabox. This is a candle subscription box. I have reviewed this several times before. You can either get one 4-ounce candle for $10 a month plus shipping, one 8-ounce candle for $20 a month plus shipping, or 2 candles, one 4-ounce, one 8-ounce for $30 a month free shipping. So every month they have a new theme as well as a new candle company that they work with. So you get all sorts of different candles. I've been asked, like, do these candles, smell really good? Well, it kind of depends, because you're getting different companies. But I love that they use these smaller local brands, that sort of a thing, to help introduce you to candle companies that you may not otherwise know about. So anyway, these ones are from Bear Candle Co. And the large one that I have this month is the Avocado and Mint, which smells amazing. I wasn't sure. I was like, do avocado smell good? I have no idea. And it does smell minty for sure, but it's this really lovely kind of, I don't know how to describe it. Is it floral? Is it earthy? Is it woodsy? But it's something underneath that mint. Let's see if the card has an actual description, because I'm terrible at describing scents. Okay, let's see. All right, it says garden mint, jasmine, neroli, and lemon peel. Okay, so definitely some of that citrus, but some florals. And then it says it's fresh and light like a happy spring day. Let the sun shine in, enjoy a tasty breakfast, some avocado toast perhaps, and make today awesome with this one burning nearby. And definitely it has that sort of fresh, springy scent to it. It's not minty like winter mint. And then the other scent that I have is rain and sugarcane. This one is much sweeter smelling. So this one is described as dewy citrus, lush greens, sugar, and musk. I'm definitely getting a lot of sugar. Okay, for those rainy spring days when you just want to be lazy, you block out the world to just listen to the melodic rainfall through the window screens. Candles lit, eyes closed, just enjoying life's simple pleasures. It's very sweet and has like a brightness to it. And the candles always come in these great little bags, which are reusable for whatever you need. Also, if you just happen to have a scent that maybe isn't your favorite, like sometimes I'll get a floral one that I'm just not that into, so I just pop it in the bag and re-gift it, and it makes a wonderful, beautiful gift, because everybody loves candles, right? And then they always have a little extra in here, and this month it's a packet of little flower seeds. I'm so excited about these. They're Dwarf Marigold seeds. So sometimes I think I got like a little skin cleanser once, so I gotten little chocolates. This is really lovely. I'm super excited about this. We've been doing a lot of work in our backyard, and I might plant these back there. So Bear Candle Company is from Douglasville, Georgia, and it's run by a full-time college student. Oh, that's pretty cool. So anyway, all of the information will be in the description box. I will leave a link to the Bear Candle Co. as well as any sort of discount codes that I might have. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!